The award-winning Magna Latch has become the world standard in safety gate latching devices. The popular top pull model is the ideal child safety and pool safety gate latch because it can be fitted to common height fences so that the release knob is well out of reach of small children. The vertical pull model operates on the same principle, and it's suitable for use on taller gates. With Magna Latch's magnetic triggering, there's no resistance to closure and therefore no possibility of mechanical jamming. The latch is also key lockable for added security. Magna Latch can be fitted to almost any type and style of gate and works just as well on wood, metal, vinyl, or chain link. The unique design means that it can be adjusted vertically or horizontally at any time during or after installation to deal with gate sag or ground movement. Side fixing legs provide extra fixing strength to ensure sturdy installation and reliable latch operation on all styles of gate. They also allow fast and convenient installation, as they provide immediate alignment on the corners of the gate and fence posts. Magna Latch's sturdy design means it will not disengage from the gate, even with shaking, pulling, or pushing. It has been tested to 400,000 opening and closing cycles and is the winner of a prestigious Australian Design Award. Magna Latch Top Pull from D&D Technologies.